بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents. And my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students, this is page 11. All of you open it. Hurry up. Okay, students, can you see on page 11 we have question 2. This is question 2 and question 2 is arrange the numbers in ascending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Do you know, students, what is ascending order? We have also read in our previous lecture. Ascending order means, yes, who will tell me? Very good. Ascending order means starting from the smallest and going up to the largest. Very good. Ascending order means starting from the smallest number and going up to the largest number. So students, let's start our exercise. Okay, students, this is exercise A. Okay, part A. This is part A of question 2. And now we will arrange all these numbers 5, 3, 7, 2, 1. We will arrange all these numbers in ascending order. Okay, students, we will write them from the smallest towards the largest number. Start writing with me. First of all, we will write the smallest number, and in these numbers we have 1 as the smallest number. So we will write 1 here. What we will write here? 1. Very good, students. And after 1, what will come? 2. Very good. And you can see we have just written here 2. And students, you will also put a tick here. So you will know that I have already written the number below. So these 2 numbers we have written here and these 3 are left. 5, 3 and 7. And which number will come after 2? Very good. 3 will come here. Let's write with me, students. Very good. We have written here 3 and we have also put a tick here. And now we know that these 2 numbers left, 5 and 7. And after 3, we already know that 5 will come. So we will write here 5. Excellent. We have written here 5 and we will also put a tick over there. So we will know that we have used this number. And in the end, we know that only 7 is left. So here will come number 7. Okay, students. Now you can see that we have used all these numbers because there is a tick over the number. And we have also arranged these numbers in ascending order, starting from the smallest and moving towards the largest number. Smallest 1 and slowly moving towards the largest number 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Very good. Now let's move towards part B. Okay, students, this is part B of question 2. And here we are having 3, 0, 2, 9, 8, 1. And we will arrange all these numbers in ascending order, starting from the smallest and moving towards the largest number. So in this list, which is the smallest number, students? 0. Yes, 0 is the smallest number. So we will write here 0. Let's write with me, students. Very good. We have written here 0 and we have also put a tick over there. Now we will write 1. Very good, students. And we have written here 1 after 0. 1. And after 1, 2. We will write here 2. Very good. And after 2, what we will write, students? We have 3. You can see here, this is 3, and we have 9, and we have 8. So after 2, we all know that 3 will come. So we will write here 3. Very good. So students, we have written here 3, and we have also put a tick over here. So after this, we know that there are only 2 numbers left, 9 and 8. So after 3, which number will come? Very good, excellent. 8 will come here. Let's write with me. And we have written here 8. Very good. And in the end, we have only one number left, and this is 9. So we will write here 9. In this box, which number will come? 9. Let's write with me. Okay students, now this is very good. We have just finished part B, and we have arranged all these numbers into ascending form. You can see starting from the smallest and moving towards the largest number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Excellent students. Are you writing with me? That's very good. Okay students, now we are having here exercise C. This is part C of question 2, and here we are having so many numbers. We will see which numbers we have. Okay students, we have 4, 1, 7, 6, 8, 0, 2, and we will arrange all these numbers in ascending order. So first of all, the smallest number, and very good, my students know which is the smallest number, and 0 is the smallest number. Right here 0. What we will write here students? We will write here 0. Okay students, we have written here 0. As you can see that we have written here 0, and we have also put a tick over there that we have used this number. And after 0, which is the smallest number? 1. Very good. We will write 1 in this box. Very good students. We have just written here 1. And we have written here 1. We have also put a tick over there. And after 1, which number is the smallest? 2. Very good. Now we have the number 2, and we will write here 2. Very good students. Now, and you can see students, we are slowly moving towards the bigger number. First of all, we were having the smallest number 0, and then we have a bigger number 1, and then 2, and after 2 there are 4 digits left, 4 and 7 and 6 and 8. So what do you think? Which number will come here? Very good. 4 will come here. So we will write this 4 in this box. Write with me students. Very good. We have written here 4. And now we are having 3 numbers here, 7, 6, 8. So what do you think students? Which number will come here? Very good. 6 will come here. And we have written here 6. Now we have these 2 boxes and these 2 numbers, 7 and 8. So after 6, which number will come? 7. Very good. And we have written here 7, and after 7, which number is left? Only 8. So we will write 8 in this box. And we have written here 8. Very good. Okay students, now you can see we have finished question 2 part A, B, C, and we have done the ascending order. We have completed the ascending order, and we have arranged these numbers into ascending order. Okay students, very good. You have done with me. That's very good students. Now It's your homework time. Okay, students, this is your homework. What you have to do? You have to complete question 2 on page 11. You have to complete question 2 on page 11 and share the picture of question 2 in your WhatsApp group. Okay, students, please you have to watch all the videos and complete the given task in the end of each video and share your homework in your WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, students. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما